Did you know? A 12-year-old girl in Arizona unalived her entire family and convinced everyone it was a robbery for 4 years. Her name was Sophie Martinez. On November 3rd, 2019, she called 911 crying, saying masked men broke in. Police found her parents and 2 brothers shot in their beds. Sophie was hiding in a closet, covered in blood. She became the town's symbol of tragedy. People donated $300,000 to her GoFundMe. She moved in with her grandmother and went to therapy. Everyone loved brave little Sophie, but in 2023, her boyfriend found her journal. She had written everything. How she planned it for months. How she put crushed sleeping pills in their dinner. How she used her dad's gun at 3 a.m. while they slept. How she practiced crying in the mirror for the 911 call. The worst part, she wrote, "Grandma's coffee tastes weird now too. She'll be gone by Christmas." Police tested the grandmother's hair. It was full of arsenic. Sophie had been poisoning her for 6 months. When they arrested her, Sophie was completely calm. She smiled and said, "Waited until I turned 16. Now I'll be out by 21. She was right. She got 5 years in juvenile detention. She'll be released next year. She already has 2 million TikTok followers who think she's innocent. Write your country and I'll make a video from there.